Good morning, students. This is Jaydeep sir. Again, today we'll be starting with the module 3. Last module I've given some homework also. That solution part I've done in the PDF. I'll be forwarding it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, you can check from there the answer and the steps. See the steps also properly, each and everything properly. Okay, the different types of sums are doing. You try to do the same sum or the different type of sums from the book only. Book you are not getting, I am giving the image of the exercises, from there you try it. Okay, today we'll start with the module 3. See, for last day you have done one case 1, case 2 and case 3. I have done revise once if you have forgot also, but these things you have to keep in mind. See what are written: if x square if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, what will we get? We get two distinct roots. This last day also discussed. Today I'll be showing how it is coming, two distinct roots. Next, case 2, if b square minus 4ac equals to 0, we get two equal roots. That is distinct and this is equal. Now case 3, when will be less than 0, it will be less than 0. That means suppose the value of d or this value is coming minus, suppose minus 2, minus 1, like that, then the given equation have no real roots. The given equation no real roots. Now I am starting with example to show you how it is done. See what is the difference. You can see also now. I have given find the discriminant of the equation 4x square minus 12x plus 9 equals to 0, and hence find the nature of roots. Nature of roots means how many nature of roots we are getting? 3. Two distinct roots, two equal roots, and no real roots. Now see, put the value of a, b and c from this equation only. Now discriminant formula you know, d equals to b square minus 4ac. I put the value, what is coming? C, 144 minus 144, the d value is coming 0, equal to 0. If it is coming equal to 0 means what? See, b square minus 4ac equals to 0. That means what we have? Two equal roots. That means we are having what? Hence the given equation has two equal roots. Okay, I'll be not be discussing anymore like this. That means if you want to write it down, same thing I'm repeating any instruction, that you pause your video wherever you want to write it down, you write it down and then you go for the next steps. Okay, what does the two equal roots means or the two roots means? See, the same question I have written over here. The same question, see, that 4x square minus 12x plus 9 equals to 0. That equation only I have written over here. From here I find the value of d. The last part I have done, see, the value of d also came over here, 0. I'm just showing that why it is called two equal roots. Two equal roots means what? See the value, the quadratic equation Siddharth's formula I put over here. The value is coming what? 3 by 2. This the only 3 by 2. See here the 0 means what? It is coming after root. The value of root 0 of root 0 doesn't have any value. Then from here what you can add? 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. That this is only called, this is two equal roots. This is only called two equal roots. Next, see one more example. Find the nature of roots of the equation given. We have to find out the nature of, what kind of nature of roots it has. Same process, we have to find out the value of d. See, I put the value of a, b and c. If we find out the discriminant. Now see, the discriminant value is coming what? 73. That means what? The d value is greater than 0. That we have written, see, as the d value is 73 and the equation has two distinct roots. This is not equal, this is distinct, and last question was having equal. Now see, what does the distinct means? I made in underline also. See, 4x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. The same equation, what is there written over here? I find out the value. See over here, see, after putting this one, minus 5 into minus is plus 5 plus root over 73 and 2 4 is 8. Same thing over here, I've written what? Plus and minus. Then one more value will be what? Minus 2 root over 73 by 8. See what I've written? See, the value is coming same but the sign is different. This is only called two distinct roots. I hope you've understood what I've tried to make you understand in this part. Okay, next we are coming a third example. See, the find the nature of roots of the equation 3x square minus 4 root 3 plus 4 equals to 0. Find the roots exist. Sorry, if the root exists, find them. See what they have told, find the nature of root if the root exists. Now different question, we have to find out the whether it is the roots is exist or not. If it is existing, then you have to find out the value of root. Root means what? The value of x. See what the equation I've written, the same equation, the value of a, b and c. Now we have to find out, I've written down the formula of what? D equals to b, that discriminant formula only. Now it is coming out 48 minus 48, that is coming 0. That means what? D equals to 0. What does the word D equals 0 means? What? Case 2 I've written that equation has two equal roots. It is having two equal roots. Two equal roots means what? The value of the x will be same. The value of the x will be same. See, I've written the quadratic equation of Siddharth formula. Okay, then from here just write down the, put the value, substitute the value. Now it is coming what? 2 root 3 by 3, there x equals to 2 root 3 by 3, again 2 root 3 by 3. This is also correct. I made one more process over here to find out the value. In some books or some solution you will get this kind of a solution also. If you have done like this is also correct, this is also correct. If you want to follow this one, you can follow this one also, but better I think whatever it is there, you follow this one only. I hope you have understood this part. This is very important, very easy chapter. This is a very scoring chapter. Next, see next what is what I've written, example 4. See what is written, find the values of k for which the equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0 has real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. What does the case? What we have? See the case I've written. Just I'm making one more time. We have two equal roots means what? That time the value will be 0. The value will be 0. Same thing. See from here. See I've written the equation, the a value, b value and c value also. Now d discriminant you know how to put down. Now it is coming d equals to k square minus 24. I've written, it is told the given equation has real and equal roots. The value of d will be what? Equal to 0. Just now I made you in case 1, case 2 and case 3. This is a case 2. Then d equals to what? K square minus 24. Then in place of d I'll put the value of 0. I'll put the value of d 0. Then it is coming what? Transposing in this side and again this side. Then it will be square root of 24. Why square is given. Then k plus minus is 2 root 6. You know how to find out this 24 from 2 root 6. We have done in class 9 also. I'm not repeating the same thing. Next, what is given? K equals to what? See, plus, it will plus 2 root 6 and 1 will be minus 2 root 6. See, the value is coming same. The value is coming same. Okay. I've given some homework also over here. How many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And you try to do extra sum also from your side. If you want to get some answers or not able to understand also, you can approach me in the WhatsApp group only. Okay. Till that, I think you have understood. Have a safe day and stay in home. And last important thing, when you're doing the online classes, be very attentive. Very means very attentive. Each and everything you note it down in the copy. It should be a noted one so that you will be able to understand afterwards also when you go for the revision. Before the test we'll have a revision work. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.